Introducing the Isuzu Giga 10Pe self-loader 10-wheeler. Japan surplus high-performance sliding type bed with winch. 10-wheeler design, heavy-duty capability. Sliding type bed, easy loading and unloading. Equipped with a winch, enhanced versatility. Watch the sliding bed in action. Effortless loading and unloading. See the winch handle heavy loads with ease. Smooth operation in any condition. Perfect for construction, transport, and more. Proven durability and strength. Contact us today for more information. Visit our yard at lot 1457 Argonaut Highway, Boton area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, Philippines. Office hours, Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Facebook customer service 24/7. Call 𝙁𝙯𝙄𝙗𝙄 at 0945-583-4079. Don't miss out on this versatile heavy-duty truck. Reserve now with cash or bank financing options available.